Mungaru Male. Namaste friends, this is Jaideep here again, standing in the monsoon water rainfall. This is not stopping at all, and we are here at the place called Ambutirtha. This is the place where Sharavati is born. This temple that you see is of Rameshwara temple. There is a Shiva Linga here. In front of it, the Sharavati is born, and it comes all the way and flows to the Jog Falls. With Manu DK in the camera, Jaideep here reporting live from Ambutirtha. Namaste friends. Today we are in Jog Falls, India's second biggest waterfall. This waterfall is called Jog, where it means falls in Kannada. It's a 830 feet deep height. So what you see in the middle is a Raja. In between there is Rover joining, and then there is Rani, and then there is Rocket. So this waterfall has a hydroelectric generation plant which is established by Vishwesvaraya back in British time, which is one of the highest electricity producer in India. We are staying in a place called Mayura Gerusappa by KSTDC, which is right behind the falls. I recommend this hotel to everyone, and right in front of it, in my window, I could see the waterfalls and I can hear the falls. So amazing place to be here. The Jog Falls, India's second biggest waterfall, here with cameraman Manu and Archie Sushma. Thank you.